Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will explore Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B18B6 and B18B7, which are specific to lost communication with the left and right BSI, blind spot information radar units on the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. The BSI system plays a critical role in enhancing driving safety by detecting vehicles in adjacent lanes, helping to prevent potential collisions. Each radar unit communicates data back to the vehicle's computer systems, and when communication is lost, it can lead to safety feature malfunctions. Understanding the components involved, the symptoms these DTC codes present, and the troubleshooting steps is essential for effective repair. In the following slides, we will break down the problem, possible causes, symptoms, troubleshooting steps, and conclude with final repair verification and preventive maintenance tips. The blind spot information BSI radar units are the primary components affected by DTC B18B6 and B18B7. The BSI system helps drivers by monitoring blind spots and alerting you if there's a vehicle present. Each radar unit is strategically mounted in the rear corners of the vehicle, typically behind the rear bumper, enabling them to detect other vehicles in adjacent lanes. They transmit and receive radar signals, processing this information to accurately inform the driver. When communication is interrupted between these radar units and the vehicle's main computer system, the DTC codes are generated, indicating an issue that requires immediate attention. Proper installation and functioning of these components are vital for ensuring optimal vehicle safety, making it important to diagnose issues swiftly. Understanding the potential causes of DTC B18B6 and B18B7 helps expedite the troubleshooting process. Firstly, loose connections can disrupt the necessary communication between the radar units and the control system. Poor wire integrity, which might occur due to wear and tear, corrosion, or damage, can also impede communication. These issues often lead to insufficient voltage reaching the radar units, triggering error codes. Furthermore, a completely faulty radar unit can lead to a total loss of communication, which will also present these DTCs. Each of these causes needs to be systematically checked to accurately diagnose and resolve the issue for safe vehicle operation. Symptoms associated with DTC B18B6 and B18B7 can significantly affect driver awareness and safety. One obvious symptom is the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, often indicating a problem with the vehicle's safety systems. Drivers may also notice a lack of blind spot alerts, which normally would notify them of adjacent vehicles when changing lanes. Additionally, users may encounter warning messages displayed on the vehicle's infotainment system, further confirming communication issues. These symptoms underscore the importance of addressing any BSI radar unit errors promptly, as they play a crucial role in safe driving and accident prevention. In the first troubleshooting step, it is essential to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Codes DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. The HDS is specifically designed for Honda vehicles, offering insights into error codes and enabling you to reset various vehicle systems. By clearing the DTCs, you essentially reset the system, allowing you to recheck for any active fault codes once the ignition switch is turned on to the I position. This is a foundation step in diagnosing the issue, as it allows for a fresh start and the identification of any underlying faults. After clearing, a 60-second wait is necessary to allow the systems to stabilize before you check again for DTCs, ensuring accurate results. Step 2 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position and waiting for a period of 60 seconds. This duration is crucial for ensuring that all vehicle systems are fully powered and operational, allowing the HDS to effectively communicate with the different modules in the vehicle. After the waiting period, you will use the HDS again to check for any DTCs that may still be present. If either DTC B18B6 or B18B7 appears, that indicates there is still an unresolved communication issue with the respective BSI radar unit. If no DTCs appear after this step, this may indicate an intermittent failure, prompting a thorough check for loose connections and wiring integrity throughout the system. In the third step of troubleshooting, check once more for DTC indications using the HDS. This is an essential verification step to confirm the existence of either DTC B18B6 or B18B7 after previous actions. If either code is indicated, we will focus our attention on the respective radar unit for further evaluation and possible repair. It is important to differentiate between the two codes, as each code is associated with a specific side of the vehicle, directing us to the appropriate radar unit that requires attention. If no codes are found at this stage, it may suggest an intermittent failure that could be resolved by addressing poor connections and ensuring wiring integrity in the system. At this point, we will perform a final check for DTCs with the HDS to reaffirm our findings regarding B18B6 and B18B7. This step is crucial as it helps validate whether the same errors persist and whether both radar units are functioning as intended. If both DTCs are indicated, it's a strong signal that further inspection of the radar units is necessary. If only one is active, we can tailor our next steps accordingly, either focusing on the left or right BSI radar unit. This identification simplifies the following diagnostic procedures and helps in effectively isolating the problem within the specific radar unit, guiding us toward the right resolution path. Upon completing the necessary repairs on the BSI radar units, it's imperative to perform a final verification. This involves rechecking the DTCs with the HDS to ensure all error codes have cleared successfully. Additionally, confirm that the blind spot detection alerts are functioning as they should. Indicators should illuminate when a vehicle is within the blind spot range. A test drive is also crucial, allowing you to experience the blind spot monitoring firsthand and verify that the systems are accurately detecting adjacent vehicles. This comprehensive approach ensures that the repair has resolved the communication issues and the safety features are operating optimally, reaffirming a safe driving experience. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding future issues with the BSI radar units on your Honda Odyssey. Regular inspection of the wiring and connections can help identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or potential failure before they lead to DTC failures. Ensuring that all connections are secure and intact is crucial for maintaining optimal communication within the radar systems. Furthermore, it's beneficial to periodically monitor the performance of the radar units by checking for any inconsistencies in the notifications and alerts provided. Proactively addressing these areas will help in sustaining the functionality of the blind spot monitoring system, thereby enhancing driving safety over time. To conclude, Diagnostic Trouble Codes B18B6 and B18B7 specifically pertain to lost communication with the BSI radar units in the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. It is essential to follow systematic troubleshooting steps to properly address these errors, ensuring safety features are functioning correctly, from clearing DTCs to performing meticulous checks on wiring and connections. Each step plays a vital part in effectively resolving the issue. Lastly, incorporating preventive maintenance into your routine will assist in reducing potential complications. and enhance the longevity of the BSI system. Prioritizing these actions will not only promote safer driving experiences, but also maintain overall vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.